Hey y'all, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy headband tutorial wig install. Now, y'all already know I wasn't really a big fan of this whole headband wig type of thing, but I can say after actually trying one out, I actually really love this wig, towards the end of, doing the whole installation process. So I'm going to show you guys how quick and simple this is. Now, first off, I usually keep my hair braided under all my wigs, but for this style, I did need to take a loose my braids. That way I can swoop my baby hairs like I need to and just smooth everything back, like into a ponytail. So I just went ahead and combed down my edges, but I'm going to end up swooping more hair than just the edges I left out. And for the edge control today, I will be using the She Is Bomb Collection edge control, and I'm just going to apply that on the front of my hairline, and I'm just going to take a edge brush and get to swooping and smoothing everything on in. Now y'all know when it comes to doing my baby hairs on camera, I really be having a hard time, so I'm going to start on camera as per usual, but I'm going to end up doing the rest of it off camera. So once I get everything kind of like swooped into place, I will smooth everything back into like a low ponytail. But if you're not lazy like I am, then you should probably plait it up if you can. But for me, I just went ahead and just smooth everything back into like a little low ponytail, and then I put the caps on to secure it and everything. But I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to swoop my baby hair until I get it at least where I'm like mostly satisfied with the outcome, and then I will move on to the next step. So hope you guys enjoyed this simple video, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So now that I have everything sleeked into a ponytail, I just went ahead and took a new cap and just pulled it over the top of, I put the cap on and then I pushed it back away from my edges so a little of my hairline can show besides the baby hairs. And now I'm just going to put the headband wig on, and all you have to do is just put it on and clip it in the back. But for me, I grab both straps and I tie like 2 knots, and then I clamped it together. That way it could feel a little more secure for me. And there's also some combs in the inside of the headband wig, so you can slide the combs on the side and at the top of your real hair. But this is how quick and how easy it was. I literally just did my baby hairs, put it into a ponytail, and just like put the wig on. And now I'm just trying on the headbands to show you guys different looks and everything like that. I actually really loved it, like towards the end, as I mentioned. It's just different looks you could do. Some people wear the headband, some people wear like the actual headband, that one, the one I'm placing on now, like just to give you different ideas of how you can wear it and what to do with it. But my final look that I chose was the cheetah print one. This is my favorite headband, and I have cheetah print heels, and you know, I knew how to, you know, mix it up with what I will wear on the regular. So I chose this cheetah print one, and you know, that's pretty much like the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and thank you guys for watching.